Hello everyone and welcome to my class. In this session we are going to understand about the states of matter. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I will take you directly to your desktop. You can see there are 5 systems in front of you, as you can see, and we have 5 members in this class, including me. Okay, so the students, let's go to the first system where we can find the ice cube trays and purified water by VXR Labs. Okay, so use your controller and hold tight this A button on your controller and teleport yourself to the first system. If someone is facing any issue with the controller or he is not able to teleport himself, I have the command, I have full control over him as well. I can teleport him to me or I can teleport myself to him. Okay, so let's get started. Please, I request you all to teleport yourself to that system there and we will proceed further. Okay, so yes, let's get started. Here we reached on the system 1. Here we can see our desktop is showing 2 important informations highlighted. The first one is states of matter experiment and the other one is health. So firstly we need to understand about the states of matter, okay, before we will do the experiment. Okay, let's get closer a bit more. Yeah, so now click on the first one, states of matter. Here it is defining, it's giving us a brief about the states of matter, what states of matter are and uh, its types. Okay, so if everyone can read that, right? Yeah, so the 3 most common states of matter, as we all know, that are solid, liquid and gaseous. So you can observe all these 3 states with the provided materials here. So as I can see, the purified water bottles are not on the table. So how to get those water bottles on the table? Before proceeding with the experiment steps here, I will go ahead and I will go to my own system there and rearrange all the purified bottles for you and gather all the objects that fell on the floor. Okay. I will go a bit closer and I will give a command of gather all objects that fell on the floor. Once I will click on it, all the objects that were on the floor are now on the table. As I can see, I am teleporting myself here. Now I can see all the purified water bottles are on the table. Okay, so let's read the steps of experiment here. The first step, it says that fill an ice cube tray with water. So these are the ice cubes here and those are purified water bottles. Let me go a bit closer and please everyone hold it in your hand. Yeah, the way I am holding it. So as you can see, I can hold it in both my hands. You can hold it in your hand as well. Okay, so here it says that purified water by VXR Labs. Okay, keep it on the table and now we will grab one bottle and go near to ice cube tray and then we will fill this tray with water. Okay, we do not need to remove the cap of this purified water bottle. Okay, so now it says that you have achieved your goal. Okay, so now I will directly pour it into the ice cube tray, as you can see. Done. Okay, I will keep it here. Right now, the second step, it says that Place the tray on the platform of a thermal modulator. So where is the thermal modulator? We need to find that. I believe that's there, right? So I will grab this ice cube tray in my hands like this. Okay, in an ideal way. Okay, now it's in my hand, and I will teleport myself to the modulator, thermal modulator here, and I will keep the ice cube tray here. Please concentrate on the steps, and you have to follow the same steps as well. Okay, now here I have few options here, as I can see the power button, which will start burning the thermal modulator version 2.5. Okay, and then I can use my left hand here to control the temperature. Okay, so simply I will click on power on for this, and here you can see the temperature is raised to 100 degrees Celsius. Now if I want to decrease it, I can use my left hand. I will decrease it to 15 degrees Celsius. And if I want to measure the temperature with the meter here, I can simply grab this meter and I can check the temperature. Here it says 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, now this temperature is decreasing on the meter. Now it is going to directly to 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, now if I will keep it on the table and I will use my left hand and then increase the temperature. Now the temperature has been increased to 70 degrees Celsius. As you can see, now it's burning faster than earlier. Now I will grab the meter again and check the 70 degrees Celsius temperature is there as well on the modulator as well. I'm not saying loud the name of this meter because I'm going to ask you this after completing this experiment. Okay, I will keep it here. Now you can see other students can use the same. It's similar to this thermal modulator, and the other students can use this thermal modulator for their experiment. For now, let's use this because I am having this one running now. So I can also increase the temperature. Can you see the difference there? Not right now. So we have water in the ice cube tray and it's starting boiling now, but not as much as we need. So for that we need to increase the temperature. If we increase the temperature 100 degrees Celsius, you can see the difference now. The water is boiling. Okay, it starts boiling and you can see it is explaining us the three states of matter here. The first one is solid, and then liquid, and then it goes to gaseous states. Okay, now water is evaporating, right? You can also see here evaporation process. The last line, second last line, it says that evaporation occurs slowly once your water is boiling. Try placing the tray onto add temporal accelerator and turning up the flow of time. I used that. Okay, now it says it is, you can simply see the experiment is going well and it is boiling, and you can see the difference now. The state of matter is changing into gaseous states. Okay, before it was liquid, now it changed into gaseous state. So if I will simply click on this button here, I will decrease the temperature to not minus, actually 0 first. Let's go for 0 or 5 degrees Celsius is fine, also fine. Okay, now if I will decrease this temperature, this whole material, this whole liquid and gaseous state will change into solid state. Okay, so for that I will simply go down to minus 100 degree, and you can see this burning flames are changing into snow now. You can see, and because of the temperature that I have decreased it to 100 degrees Celsius, and within nanoseconds this whole ice cube tray will change into a solid form. So if I will grab it, you can see the water becomes ice. You might have seen that, right? It fell. Okay, but it was in solid state. So this is explaining us the three important states of matter. There is one more states of matter which is plasma, but the most important three states of matters are solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Okay, I hope you understand. And now I want everyone to do this experiment one by one. Okay, so I will throw it here, as you can see, and now I will go to the main command. Let me go to the main command. There it is, and I will grab everything which is on the floor. Okay, or I can spawnable all the objects that were shuttered or trashed. So you can see the trash can there. If someone has trashed that, then you can regenerate that from here. But you cannot. I can do that because I have those commands as a teacher. So I will simply click now to gather all the objects that fell on the floor. Okay. Once I will click here, all the objects, you can see there's no ice cube tray left behind on the floor. Now everything is on here. So I will go to here, and now I want everyone to please, we have 4 students in this class, so I want everyone to please do this experiment and see the observe the change in temperature and behavior at different temperatures. Okay, thank you.